Welcome to this deep dive into robotic process automation, or RPA. In the quest for operational efficiency and digital transformation, RPA has emerged as a game-changing technology. But what exactly is RPA, and how is it revolutionizing the way businesses operate? Today, we'll explore the world of RPA, its capabilities, and how it's creating a new digital workforce for the modern enterprise. Robotic process automation is a technology that allows organizations to automate routine, rule-based tasks by using software robots, or bots. These bots can mimic human actions and interact with digital systems and software just like a human. Here are 5 key points about RPA. 1. It's non-invasive, working on top of existing systems without deep integration. 2. It can handle structured, repetitive tasks across various applications. 3. It operates 24/7, increasing productivity and reducing errors. 4. It frees up human workers to focus on more complex, value-adding tasks. And 5. It's a key component of digital transformation strategies. Moving forward, RPA typically operates through the following steps. Process identification, selecting suitable tasks for automation. Bot development, creating and configuring the software robot. Training, teaching the bot the specific steps of the process. Deployment, putting the bot into action in the live environment. Execution, the bot performs the task, interacting with applications. Monitoring and optimization, tracking bot performance and making improvements. Not just that, RPA bots can log into applications, move files and folders, copy and paste data, fill in forms, extract structured data from documents, scrape browsers, make calculations. These capabilities allow RPA to automate a wide range of business processes across departments. There are 3 main types of RPA. Attended automation, where bots work alongside humans, typically on front office tasks. Unattended automation, where bots work independently on back office processes. And hybrid automation, where attended and unattended bots are combined for end-to-end automation. At RPA Tech, we help businesses implement the right type of RPA for their specific needs, often using a combination of these approaches for comprehensive automation solutions. Now let's discuss RPA applications across various business functions: finance, invoice processing, account reconciliation, financial reporting, human resources, employee onboarding, payroll processing, leave management, customer service, data entry, order processing, customer data updates, IT operations, system monitoring, batch processing, automated testing, supply chain, inventory management, shipment scheduling, vendor communication, healthcare, patient scheduling, claims processing, compliance reporting, banking, loan processing, KYC verification, fraud detection, and retail, price comparison, order fulfillment, returns processing. These applications demonstrate how RPA can drive efficiency and accuracy across diverse business operations. The advantages of implementing RPA are significant, like increased productivity. Bots can work 24/7 without breaks. Improved accuracy, elimination of human errors in repetitive tasks. Cost savings, reduced operational costs in the long run. Scalability, easy to scale up or down based on business needs. Enhanced compliance, consistent adherence to regulatory requirements. Improved employee satisfaction, freeing humans from mundane tasks. Faster processing, significant reduction in process cycle times. Non-invasive, works with existing systems without major changes. While powerful, RPA also comes with challenges like process standardization, requires well-defined, stable processes. Change management, employees may resist automation adoption. Bot maintenance, needs regular updates as underlying systems change. Security concerns, bots need proper access management and monitoring. Selecting the right processes, not all processes are suitable for RPA. Expectations management, RPA is not a silver bullet for all inefficiencies. integration with AI, moving towards more cognitive automation. The future of RPA is already here, with trends like AI-enhanced RPA, incorporating machine learning for more intelligent automation, hyperautomation, combining RPA with other automation technologies, RPA as a service, cloud-based RPA solutions for easier adoption, citizen developers, more user-friendly RPA tools for non-technical users, process mining integration, automated discovery of automation opportunities. Robotic process automation is more than just a technology. It's a catalyst for digital transformation, enabling businesses to operate with unprecedented efficiency and accuracy. As RPA continues to evolve, it will play an increasingly crucial role in shaping the workforce of the future. Ready to unleash the power of RPA in your organization? Visit rpatech.ai to learn about our cutting-edge RPA solutions and services.